Jacht teruggegaan. 31. We get another prepositional pronoun. We get do, to or for, generally, and it combines with the pronominal endings just like all the other ones do. It's another list to memorize and to practice with. Dom, Dutch, do, di, doing, div, doiv. Now, all of these could be pronounced with a DH sound. Ram, rich, ro, re, roing, riv, roiv. It's up to you. Normally, like in jiachich, we do it with the DH ending, but if you want to be consistent, you can do it for all of them. Now, certain verbs take certain pronouns, certain prepositions, and the prepositional pronouns, therefore. So, tor do e, give it to him, you need da. Tor doing, inish dum, tell it to me. Fi yaurgam dum, get it for me, okay? Yoi megache, I will get it for you. Ni waishid antarigid doing. They will not get us the money. They will not get the money for us. Da combines with the article to become don, done, for the, or to the. And of course, it by itself, like all of these prepositions, will put, well, most of them anyway, will put a lenition on the noun itself if there's nothing else in between. Da Hyun, for Sean, to Sean, da Woira, and so forth. Dun also puts a lenition. Dun ar, for the man. Dun wuchel, for the boy. So it's practicing this prepositional pronoun. Memorize the paradigm. Have fun.